Want people to share your stories and boost your reach? Here's how to allow story sharing on the latest Instagram app in 2025. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick tips. Open the Instagram app, head to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll to How others can interact with you. Tap on Sharing and Remixes. Now look for the option that says Allow sharing to story or allow others to reshare your stories and turn the toggle on. This lets people mention you and share your story to theirs, either publicly if you're public or to mutual followers if you're private. Want even more reach? Also toggle on Allow story sharing as message so people can forward your story in DMs. That's it. Your followers can now help you spread your stories far and wide. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and hit follow for the latest Instagram 2025 tutorials.